everyone, Kelly Chassie here from Kelly Chassie Fine Art, and in today's course we're going to learn how to paint a lighthouse, and we're going to be doing a lot of fabulous details in this one. We're going to learn how to paint rocks and using a layered technique, and we're going to do some buildings for the first time. Usually I'm doing landscape, so this is a little different. And so to help you draw this out, I've added a PDF of the actual lighthouse sketch, and we'll go over lots of different things: how to paint the sky, a nice airy wash, and we'll get into a lot of little fine details on this one. We'll walk you through it step by step. If you have questions or concerns along the way, feel free to send me a note. And when you're finished, I would absolutely love to see your final results. If you'd like to post your work, I'm on all the social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and you can find me on all of those at my profile page. I hope this is a 5-star course for you. If not, I would love to hear how I can make it better for you on the next one. So happy painting!